Hello everybody, how you doing? This is Fadali and this video is about the diff command. Okay, the diff simply means the difference. Okay, so the diff command compares the content of two files line by line, and after analyzing the files it will output the lines that do not match. Okay, so first of all I'm gonna open up the files and now I'm gonna open up the terminal. Alright, so I just want to go to the documents directory, the documents, and okay, so I just want to compare the new file with the output. Okay, so first of all we're gonna see the content of these two files. So the new file content these lines, and the output content these lines. Okay, so now we're gonna use our diff command on these files. Okay, so first of all I'm gonna write the diff and I'm gonna write the name of the first file, which is new file.txt, and now I'm gonna write the name of the second file, which is output.txt, and hit the enter, and it will simply show me the difference between these two files. As you can see here that this content is not available in the second file. If I just show you here, this content is not available in the second file, which is the output.txt. all right, and this content is not available in the first file. Okay, so let me just show it to you. Okay, as you can see here that this content, the file copy and the second file, is not available in the first file. All right, but if I just try to make some changes, okay, so now I just want to use another file with the new file. So I just want to use the output2 file. That, as you can see here, that in the output2 file we have the content of the new file.txt as well, and we also have the file copy in the second. So if I just compare the new file and the output2.txt, so it will only show you the difference, which is in this case file copy in the second file. So let me just do this right now. Okay, so I'm gonna write here, so it is the output2, and it will only show you the difference because this content is also available in the first file and the second file as well. This content was not available in the first file, so it will only display you the difference. I hope you get the idea of this command, and if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.